So this is the program to implement a function to find a median of an array using pointers. Okay, now I'm gonna explain the program. So function first median. This function takes two parameters, a pointer to an integer array ARR and an integer size representing size of the array. First it checks if the array is empty. If the size is less than or equal to 0, it prints error message and returns 0. Next it sorts the array in descending order. For simplicity, a bubble sort algorithm is used here. However, you can replace it with any other sorting algorithm. For better efficiency, I am using a bubble sort array. Okay, well, after sorting the array, it calculates the median. If the size of the array is even, it takes the average of the middle of two elements. If the size is odd, it takes the middle element as the median. Note the point, if the size of the array is even, it takes the average of the middle two elements. If the size is odd, it takes the middle element as the median. Finally, it returns the calculated median. In the main function, in the main function, an integer array ARR is defined with some sample values. The size of the array is calculated using size of array divided by size of array of 0. To find the median, function is called with the array and its size as arguments, and the returned median value is stored in the variable median. Finally, the calculated median is printed. So now the output will be calculated median as the array of ARR. For example, if the ARR contains 529174638, the sorted array would be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Since the size of array is odd 9, the median would be the middle element, which is 5. So the output must be 5. So now I'm gonna run the program. If it shows 5, I'm executed was right, cause I have given 529174638. So the sorted list will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So the median, it is odd, so the median will be 5. So now I'm gonna run the program. So it was executed the median as of 5. So the program execution was right. Let's move on to the next program. This is my next program. This program, and I'm gonna read the question of the program. Write a program to read and store information about insurance policy holder. The information contains details like gender, whether the holder is minor or major, policy name, and duration of the policy. Make use of bit fields to store this information. So this is the program. So I'm gonna run the program. There's a error in the program. I'm gonna rectify the error and will explain the program. So now I'm gonna rectify the program. As of now, I have rectified the error in this code. So the changes I was made in this was I'm gonna explain. Have moved the structure policy holder definition outside the main function. Move to the outside the main function and corrected the syntax for declaring bit fields within the structure and removed unnecessary variable declaration for G, S, D and N and replaced scanf format specifier %d with %u for undefined integers in the gender and status fields. Added appropriate output formatting for displaying the duration of the policy. With these corrections, the program will compile execute correctly. So it promotes the user to input details about the insurance policy holder, stores the information using bit fields and then prints out of the store information. Now I'm gonna run the program. So let's enter the gender. If 0 means male, 1 means female, so I'll enter I'll enter one. Minor or major, in the sense major. So name Swat. I'll write Swati. So and policy duration I'll write 10. So the code was explained successfully. So this is what now I'm gonna explain the code. So now I'm gonna explain the code in the program. First I have declared structure definition struct policy holder. This structure is defined to store information about a insurance policy holder. It contains the following facts: gender, it is defined as single bit where 0 represents male and 1 represents female. Status, a bit field representing the status of the policyholder, minor or major, also defined as single bit where 0 represents minor and 1 represents major. Name, an array of characters to store the name of the holder. Dr, a bit representing the duration policy defined using 5 bits. It allows storing values from 1 to 25. And inside the main function, variables are declared to store user input and an instance of a struct policyholder. The user is prompted to enter the gender, status, name, duration of the policy of the holder. Input values are read using scanf and stored in the respective variables. And then the values of the variables are then assigned to corresponding fields in the struct policyholder instance h. Finally, the stored information where, for example, name, gender, status, and duration is printed out using printf. So after that, the output is executed successfully. So this is all about the program. Let's move on to the next program.